thing we're going to do is we're going to form a patty, like a meatball the size of my palm. I'm going to put it on my cutting board. I'm just going to press it down gently. And you want it to be about a finger thick. And probably a little bit bigger than your palm. So. And then what you want to do is we want to put some salt and pepper. Then we're going to grab our spatula and we're going to put it on a pan with some vegetable oil. So here I had it warmed up and it's about medium heat, and we're just going to lightly put in our patty, and we're going to make 2 patties the same way. Then you want to salt the other side, put some salt and pepper, and you're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now, once they've both been turned, what we're going to do is we're going to put a single slice of cheese on one of them. We're going to let it melt, and then we're going to remove them from the heat. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to dry toast our buns. And I'm using 2 bottoms and 1 top. Now you want to get them nice and toasty like this. This should be good. Now we're done with our buns. Now we're going to move on to our sauce. And we're going to start with about half a cup of mayo. We're going to put in about, this was like about 6 or 8 pickles that I cut, that I diced. Then we're going to put about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. We're putting in a 1 teaspoon of mustard. We're going to put a 1 tablespoon of paprika. You guys, I use paprika for everything. We're going to do a 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of minced onion. And we're going to do half a teaspoon of black ground pepper. And now we're going to mix it up. Now that I've mixed my sauce, we're going to grab our bottom bun and we're going to add some of this delicious sauce to it. Then we're going to add some diced onions. And you can use white or purple. I really like purple onions in my burger. And then we're going to sprinkle some shredded lettuce on top. And then we're going to top it with our delicious cheese patty. We're going to grab our other bun. We're going to put some more sauce on this bun. Then we're going to top this with a little bit more onion, some lettuce, and we can't forget the pickles. Almost forgot the most important part. I love pickles. I'll put a couple pickles there. Then we grab our other patty, lay it on top, and we grab our last bun, put some of this delicious sauce on it, and boom, you've got a McDonald's double. Now here is a close-up of our delicious Big Mac. And there you guys have it, my version of a Big Mac. It's delicious. I'm sure it's slightly healthier than McDonald's, and I cannot wait to try this. You guys, this tastes like McDonald's but better. So it's like an upgrade. It's so good. I hope you guys give it a try. I'm pretty sure it's the mayo that gives it that McDonald's taste, but everything else is superb. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.